Hi, this is Julia and the Space Daily News channel. Blue Origin successfully completed its 6th human spaceflight and the 22nd flight for the new Shepard program. The astronaut crew included 6 persons: Coby Cotton, Mário Ferreira, Vanessa O'Brien, Clint Kelly III, Sara Sabry and Steve Young. During this flight, the crew achieved 3 historic firsts. Sara Sabry became the first person from Egypt to fly to space. Vanessa O'Brien became the first woman to reach extremes on land, sea and air, completing the Explorers Extreme Trifecta, a Guinness World Record. Mário Ferreira became the first person from Portugal to fly to space. The company's new Shepard suborbital vehicle was launched on August 4th. New Shepard lifted off from Blue Origin's West Texas site and was back on Earth about 10 minutes later. Though the mission was brief, its crew members walked away with memories that will last a lifetime. New Shepard is a reusable, fully automated rocket capsule combo. The rocket returns to Earth for a vertical power and landing close to the launch site, and the capsule comes down under parachutes shortly thereafter. Passengers aboard the vehicle get to see the curve of Earth against the blackness of space and experience a few minutes of weightlessness. This was Space Daily News. Subscribe to the channel.